What are you doing, Lil? Uh-oh.
What?
Where are you going?
Where are you?
I'm over this way. Can you hear me?
What way?
This way. Nope.
This way?
Yep.
That's
Keep coming. Keep coming. Keep coming. Keep following. You're almost to the kitchen. Don't bump anything! Oh! Oh no, you're gonna hit something! Oh! Oh! Keep coming this way.
This way?
No! Oh no! You're gonna hit something again! Oh! Oh! You gotta shut it like that. This way! Where are you going? Don't hit it! Don't hit it! Are you gonna hit the wall? Ah!
Where are you?
I am this way. What are you doing? Does it smell in there?
No.
Does it smell good? Do you like being in the dumpster?
No.
Do you like being a trash woman? Thankfully, Daddy just cleaned all those out. Otherwise, you'd be sniffing some yucky stuff.
Water, yummy. No.